when we come here, when Ray and I come here, hold on. I love looking at their old amps. I want to get tons of old amps, and a lot of times when you run into an old Fender or a Marshall, you're going to be paying some good money for this. So it's like buying me glam stuff. You know, this is acoustic mode. So I'm going to show you some of the amps here, what I really like to have in the house. That's a cool one. I really love that one. That's very, very vintage. I don't know how old. Oops, sorry. That's a cute little amp there. Ray and I are in the acoustic room. I'm sorry, guys. It's almost like a cigar. Because they keep the temperature in a certain regulation because of the wood of the guitars. So, oh, I love when Ray plays the acoustic.
I'm trying this one. It looks a little pretty.
He likes the pretty one. Hello? Is that a Fender? Wow, that sounds beautiful. Some bluegrass instruments in here. I am not a bluegrass fan. Not at all. But some people enjoy the bluegrass music. That's a large guitar. Oh my goodness.
This one is known as Manuel Rodriguez guitar. Manuel Rodriguez. $600. Wow. Something about the way that string, the E string, is not properly aligned or something. Look like it's too far back. If you notice, this one, it's like the set of strings is shifted down. I believe it has a defect. Look at that.
I can't. Hold on. Where's your defect? Are you sure?
Look at my hand. That's not normal. I've never seen a guitar like that. It's not supposed to be all the way down there. I mean, for $599, dude.
Hello, 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 welcome back. And we are here with Ray, just playing around in the Guitar Center in the acoustic room. And we are just, well, you guys are getting really close here. There we go. And he's been trying out different guitars and just playing around. He does have about 15 guitars at home, ranging from bass to electric to acoustic, and also you have mandolins.
Yep.
Is that correct? Okay. So we're just practicing copyright kind of situation. I just want to make clear. If you enjoy this, we're going to be doing more and more videos, you know, with Ray and Jay. But I just wanted you to see and enjoy some of his music. May I ask a few questions before I shut this off, Ray? How long have you been playing the guitar?
I was about 8 years old.
You're 8 years old, so you're looking about 20 years? Just teasing. Okay, it's been... And
Over 50 years.
Over 50 years. And who taught you how to play the guitar?
My father.
Your father did, okay. And when you have a preference between the acoustic, the electric, and the bass, what are you drawn to?
It all depends what I'm playing. It all depends who I'm playing with. It all depends what kind of music I'm playing. Like on the bass, I like salsa, little flamenco, Gypsy and Kings, reggae, rock music. Country, I like to play lead guitar, electric.
Oh, I didn't know that. Oh.
If I'm singing a song, I strum away with my rhythm guitar. You know. All depends what the theme is going to be.
So what genre of music do you prefer listening to because you like a wide range of music, is this correct?
I like it all.
You like it all, okay.
I feel if you're going to make it in this way, you got to be able to play everything.
Okay.
That's just the way it is.
And so did you like the guitar you had just played? Do you recommend this guitar?
Yeah.
And who's the maker, may I ask?
This is a Cordoba GK Studio, $699. The Manuel Rodriguez guitar had a slight defect on the E string, so I just left it where it is. I'm sure it's just a factory defect that would require replacing for the customer. And let's see what else they got. Well, let me try this one. Well, that's a Cordoba. Let me see. Lucero. Let me try this one from Lucero. This one got a built-in pickup.
Where's Lucero from? Is it from, do you know if is it Spain?
Let me check over here.
I think that's what you said before.
Oh, there's a different one. This is a company out of California.
Oh, I apologize. Okay, so it's American made. Okay.
They want $3.99 for it. Not bad.
Oh, it's good sound.
Got a good sound.
Yeah, it does. Wow. That's a beautiful sound. Beautiful. Thank you. So I just wanted to say thank you for joining Ray and I, Glamma J. And we'll be back again, and you have a beautiful day. Today is Wednesday? It's Wednesday. It's been a couple days after Christmas, so we're just getting out and...
It's Wednesday, the 27th December 2017 here in El Paso, Texas Guitar Center.
Oh my gosh, you gotta love them. All right, see you soon.